But one of the patterns I run
Yeah.
that Scott pointed out to me so beautifully one time was that because I get this adrenaline rush from a crash, and I get an adrenaline rush from putting it back together. And when things are coasting along and doing great, I get bored. So
So you want a crisis.
Well, I mean, like I don't logically think I want the crisis, but it's like when one happens, I get pumped up again. So, and then I have the story to tell my friends about the Phoenix, right? And so I'm learning to, like, one of the things Scott's really working hard with me on now is to enjoy when it's successful and enjoy coasting along and enjoy taking it to the next level and enjoy those things as much as I used to enjoy the rush up and down. Then I'll have less crashes, bottom line, right? But when I go on vacation, it's like I get bored. I want to get back to see my clients. So it's weird. Like I'll be hustling to go on the vacation, and I get there and I'm going, boring. I want to go back and work with people.
Yeah. You this is a different kind of adventure than you would have from traveling. And in a lot of ways, it's much more real because we're doing real things.
Yeah.
And so it can take on another level of satisfaction or fascination than an everyday kind of vacation.
Yeah. For sure.
Yeah, well that's one of the job perks we get.
Yeah. This has been fun. I appreciate it. Appreciate being asked to come on.